Hello friends, today we are talking about a remote data entry job specialist. Okay, here is a company name in Latin America. Okay, it's a great opportunity for a data entry job. Okay, 5 hours ago published, over 100 people click apply promote. Okay, let's see. Remote also. Okay, a full time. Let's see what are the skills or qualification required for this job. And this is a person who posts his jobs. Oliver Getson is a recruiter who posts his job on LinkedIn, data entry jobs. Okay. About the company, here's the overview, company and job descriptions. Okay, we are looking for effective, detail oriented. Okay, remote data search oriented specialist. Okay, this is a job. What? Let's see what are the requirements and qualification. These are the responsibilities while doing jobs. Okay, required experience and qualifications based in the Philippines, Latin. Okay, fluent English required, both written and spoken. You must have a fluently in English, C2 native level. Okay, both written and spoken. Previous experience data entry lead generation is a plus. This is a benefit to the job, but it's not a mandatory or a requirement for the job. But if you have, okay, if you have that, it's a plus point for secure a job. All right, and let's see. Prefer skills, experience with remote collaborations. Okay, and let's see what are the things required. Software, digital CRM, email platform, online. These are not a mandatory. Okay, and let's see if we need other things. No need. Anything else for this job? Okay, a very pretty good job. Okay, it's a remote data entry job. Okay, the company, if you are going to apply on this job, is apply button, and in my suggestion, do not apply through apply button. Okay, not mostly recruiters are going check these resumes through on LinkedIn. On my opinion, you go search this person on LinkedIn. Okay, Oliverson, open his LinkedIn profile and you can directly message here, ask for a job opening, send your resume and cover letters, and communicate with the recruiter directly. There's a chance, a very strong chance you got a hire, right? If you need any assistance job applications, resume designing, formatting, you can contact us, or you can DM a comments in the comments box. Okay, thank you.